This is the Openhouse Trauma Backpack. It's a backpack, the same as the other ones we've seen, but there's lots of other different features that this bag has that's different. So just looking on the outside of it, there's a longer pocket in the front here, put collars, things like that in there. There's a pocket here, so you can put different labelling ideas, or if you did need to just pop some pieces of paper in there, you can do. Securing clips on the top that open up the bag, and inside here you've got a zip section for more stuff. On the very top, there's another pocket. So this here can have any other bits that you need. And it's a mesh type pocket, so you can put stuff in there and not get lost. So it keeps it nice and tidy. As with all Openhouse bags, you know, they're very, very high quality. They're very easy to work. They're micro guard, so that they're a nice, easy, wipe, clean bag. You're not going to have problems with bacteria build-up and stuff like this with them. All of the zips are very high quality. Everything's sewn on extremely well. So these bags are all designed to last a long, long time. On the side of the bag, open it up there. And as it opens up, you'll see there's lots more mesh pockets to put lots of different bits and pieces in there, should you need to. And they're different sizes along, you know, within the whole bag. So, you know, if it doesn't fit correctly here, you'll find something in another part of the bag that will fit better. So this one's got mesh pockets on this side. And bringing it around onto the other side. Inside here, you'll see you've got more mesh pockets for more stuff. So, you know, there's two big mesh pockets at the top, three on that side there. It's good because if you once you open it up, you're not going to get stuff falling out because it is being held behind there nice and tidily. Now the main part of the bag is accessible by removing the top flap. You've got Velcro at the top, and then you can literally just unzip right the way down the front. And then it opens up. So you've got another pocket in here for larger stuff, and inside you've got the oxygen cylinder section. So, you know, you can put the cylinder in here. And the advantage of this is when it's then closed, you can just open the top up and just have access to the oxygen cylinder if you want without opening the main bag. This one hasn't got them in at the minute, but you can put pouches down the side here if you want, different ones, different sizes, depending on what your actual needs are. But if not, you get the bag and find out what you need to do, and you can buy the pouches separately and fit them in nice and simply. On the back of the bag, you've got carry handle at the top here, normal rucksack straps, securing clips here, and a chest strap on this one. And again, there's a section in the back here. So if you want to just get rid of all the straps and move them out your way, you can do. And inside here, as you can see, there's a waist strap as well. So that's how, if you don't use the waist strap, you can just take the strap and just tuck it inside there, same as you can do the shoulder straps and that, tuck them out of the way. So that bag is good. It's called a trauma bag, but it's useful for lots of different things. You know, if you want a more advanced bag for your workplace or rescue work, this one can have everything in it, all your trauma bits and pieces, as well as your oxygen cylinder and any spinal collars.